Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you know about mole concept? How about Avogadro's number? In this video, we're gonna learn about mole concept and also Avogadro's number. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shera NADIRA binti SABRI and my student ID is 2022479342 and I'm from group 19. Do you know atomic mass is? Let me tell you the definition. The definition of atomic mass is the mass of an atom of an element compared with that one atom of 12 carbon. On this scale, 1 hydrogen equals to 1.008 atomic mass unit. Let's move on to relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is the weighted average of all of the naturally occurring isotopes of the elements. So, we can conclude that 1 atom 12 carbon weighs 12 atom mass unit. If we consider carbon, its relative atomic mass is very close to 12 atomic mass units. This is because carbon-12 has 99% isotopes abundance. How to calculate the mass number of isotopes? We have to add the numbers of protons and the number of neutrons together. We can calculate the total mass of the isotopes by multiplying mass number isotopes and abundance and add these products together. And then, we can calculate relative atomic mass of any element from its isotopes in periodic table. So, this is the example question that we can refer about relative atomic mass. Tables show the mass numbers and abundance of naturally occurring copper isotopes. So, you guys can refer the table given and find the relative atomic mass of copper. The solution, we can use the formula given. 69 multiplied with 90 and 31 multiplied with 65. And we add these products together divided by 100. And the answer is 61.55 atomic mass unit. Let's move on to next subtopic. The next subtopic is mole. The mole is a unit to count numbers of particles. The mole is the amount of a substance that contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon. How it can be? We deal with macroscopic samples. The atomic mass is too small. So how we can determine the numbers of gold atoms? Chemistry has an answer to this well. So we use Avogadro's number. So 1 mole equals to 6.0221367 multiplied with 10 power of 23 atoms, molecules or particles. For example, 1 mole hydrogen atoms equals to 6.02 multiplied with 10 power of 23 atoms, and so on. And then for next subtopic is molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of the 1 mole in grams. For any element, atomic mass equals to molar mass. For example, we calculate the molar mass of carbon monoxide. So we add the atomic mass of carbon and oxygen together and we got the answer 28.01 gram per mole. This is the molar mass of carbon monoxide. Next, interconverting mass, moles, and numbers of particles. If we want to convert grams to moles, we have to use molar mass. And then for converting moles to formula units, we have to use Avogadro's number. This is the mole concept. We can use these two triangles to understand this concept. For first triangle, mass over moles multiplied with relative atomic mass. And then for second triangle is numbers of atoms or molecules or ions over moles multiplied with Avogadro's number. Of course, we have example for this subtopic. Helium is a valuable gas used in industry. How many moles of hydrogen atoms are in 6.46 of He? For the solution of this question, we have to use back the mole concept just now. So with this information, we can calculate. And we got the answer 9.718 multiplied with 10 power of 23 atoms He. Last subtopic for today is formula mass. The sum of the atomic mass in atomic mass unit in a formula unit of an ionic compound. For any ionic compound, formula mass equals to molar mass, so that they both are same. And that's all from me. Thank you.